Hello, my name is Jason, and on this channel, I'm going to showcase some of my favorite things. Today, I'm featuring the Victorinox Swiss Army Tinker. While Victorinox offers a wide range of tool options, this one features a full-size Phillips head cross driver. Victorinox makes a few varieties and several color options of this multi-tool, but I really like this one with the black scales. Almost all of the Victorinox multi-tools on the market are made from their proprietary high-carbon stainless steel that is made in Switzerland. Like many traditional folding knives, none of the tools on this device are locking. As I highlighted earlier, the Tinker features a full-size Phillips head screwdriver that is beautifully nestled on this device. A small cutout was made on the back scale to accommodate this tool. The next tool is a can opener with a small standard flathead screwdriver on the tip. Next, we have a medium-sized standard flathead screwdriver with a bottle cap lifter and a small notch that works as a wire stripper. While many Victorinox multi-tools feature scissors, the Tinker features a 2 1/4 inch primary blade, and a second 1 1/2 inch blade. One of the tools that attracted me to the Tinker that I find super useful are the small tweezers that slide right into the scales. This tool also comes with a toothpick. I confess though, I'm a bit of a germaphobe, so I never use the toothpick in my mouth. Instead, I use it as a poker. I appreciate the time and effort that went into making the Tinker so compact and easy to carry. At 3 1/2 inches long and about an inch wide, the Victorinox Swiss Army Tinker is a super compact multi-tool I encourage everyone to check out because I genuinely love it.